time. Ni wakati mwingine tunaenda kutolea Mungu wetu saka na sadaka. Kabla hatujamtolea, tuangalie Biblia zetu. Mark chapter 3 verse 8. It says, "Will a man rob God? Yet you rob me." But you ask, "How do we rob you?" In tithes and offerings. 9. You are under a curse, the whole nation of you, because you are robbing me. 10. Bring the whole tithe into the storehouse, that there may be food in my house. Test me in this, says the Lord Almighty, and see if I will not open the floodgates of heaven and pour out so much blessing that you will not have room enough for it. Cha Mungu awabariki tunapoenda kumtolea.
Popote mashamba yaja,